The house is haunted by the echo of your last goodbye. The house is haunted by the memories that refuse to die.
Hey, this is David with Halloween24x7. I've had some requests for some videos, so I figured I'd go ahead and start out a video today and just give you a tour of my shop. So, I rent space at the Makerspace in Lexington, so there's my sign and my entrance. I have a very small space. It is about 6 foot by 12 foot, so not a whole lot, but I make use of every bit of it. So here's where I put a few of my finished pieces, just so I can have them in here in case somebody stops by and wants to see what I do. I put shelves up on the wall here for everything I've got, so my patinas, some of my mold making materials, clays, paints, whatever is all here. And then I've got 2 work tables, one sitting table that I use, and I'll do a lot of my seated work where I'm sanding or just finishing pieces, and then my standing table, which I use to do a lot of my mold making and my casting, because it's a more level surface, it's a wooden surface area. So you can see there's a couple doll heads. I've got a small paint booth here for doing a little bit of airbrush work, and then I've got a large shelf in the back that's 2 foot by 4 foot that I've got chock full of stuff. And then I've got a little storage area back here in the corner where I just kind of throw stuff. I got a mannequin. I've got Mr. Hansy, which is a costume. Another shelf that's got some of my smaller molds piled into it. And then just storage for other various paints, brushes, stir sticks, and whatnot. Then over here on the wall, I've got some of my other finishes and other materials. And then down on the floor here, I've got a toolbox for some of my standard tools. Up here, I've got another shelf that's above head height that I tend to stick a lot of my larger molds on. That way they're out of the way, and it's high enough that I don't have to worry about hitting my head on it. So that's Halloween24x7. I take all my finished pieces and I put them on a shelf at my house so that I can stock my inventory there and then ship it out there. Hope you like it. Let me know if there's any specific topics that you'd like to hear or see, and I'll go ahead and see if I can cover those. Talk to you later.